Welcome to Boss International Business Opportunity. This opportunity will sure help you to achieve your biggest financial dreams and be in control of your life. Boss, BOSS, stands for Building Our Success Stories. So with Boss International Business Opportunity, you will build a powerful success story which, when shared, it will be a channel to motivate other people to work on their own dreams and be the boss of their lives. So join me as I walk you through a business process that will help you to create your big success story as the boss. My name is Engineer Chris, the Big Boss. I am the project manager of Boss Income Project 500. Alright, if you had the opportunity, would you? This is Coca-Cola drink from the popular Coca-Cola company. In the first year of operation of Coca-Cola company, they sold only 25 bottles of Coca-Cola drink. I want you to think about that. Only 25 bottles of Coke sold in a whole year? So it didn't look like a good business. A lot of great investors were not encouraged to invest in Coca-Cola at that time. Some even called it a bad business and a bad market. But today the story is different. The few people that invested in Coca-Cola vision are very wealthy today. You know why? The Coca-Cola company that sold 25 bottles of Coke in their first year is now selling over 2 billion bottles of Coke every single day. 2 billion bottles per day. What an explosive increase. Today, Coca-Cola company is one of the most valuable companies in the world with net worth of over $172 billion. Now I want to ask you this question. If you had invested in Coca-Cola years ago, how much would you have been worth today? It is a question I ask you to ask yourself. Warren Buffett is the world's greatest investor and the third richest man in the world with net worth of over $80 billion. One man. And he said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you work until you die. What Warren Buffett is simply saying is that you should always look out for a good company, a good business system to invest in and build your business there so that eventually it will continuously generate cash flow for you every day, whether you are awake or asleep. That is the secret of great billionaires in the world today. Now this is the story of Warren Buffett and Coca-Cola. When it looked like Coca-Cola was not a good investment, when people were saying that the business was a scam and cannot work, Warren Buffett, in his business wisdom, bought 400 million shares in Coca-Cola. Today, the shares Warren Buffett has in Coca-Cola company is worth over $18 billion. That is money. Now this is it. The total worth of shares of Warren Buffett in Coca-Cola is bigger than the entire wealth of Dangote as a man. When Warren Buffett was asked how he feels about his stake in Coca-Cola company, he said, anytime anyone drinks Coke in any part of the world, I make little money. That is the power of investment, and that's the power of leverage. Unfortunately, you missed Coca-Cola opportunity. Even if you have 50 million naira today, you cannot get investment spot in Coca-Cola again. But all hope is not lost because another Coca-Cola opportunity is here for you. A multinational company that gives you the opportunity to invest and build the fortune of your life is here again for you. You miss Coca-Cola opportunity. Please, I beg you, don't miss this great opportunity in this company. The company I'm talking about is called Boss International. Wow. Boss International is a multinational company from the Philippines. Boss International was first launched in the Philippines. That was January 2018. And the business model has changed the financial stories of thousands of people in the last 1 year and 6 months. Boss International entered Africa in the month of June 2019, just a few months ago. Unfortunately, Nigeria is the first country in Africa they launched their business system, and many of us are already building a big financial future in the Boss International business system. Every business that is created has a specific problem in solving in the business world, and so Boss International is a company created to help millions of people around the world to achieve their big dreams and build their success stories through their leverage business system. So join us in this journey of building our success stories with Boss International. This is the president and CEO of Boss International, Mr. Romeo Tabanian, a visionary young man that is using his experience to cause waves in the business world. Our achievement. In the last 1 year, Boss International has won a lot of business and product excellence awards. Our products. Boss International has a unique product, a consumable product everyone uses every day. The product of Boss International company is quality designers perfume derived from the perfume capital of the world, France. Boss perfume smells nice and the fragrance can last for a very long time. Boss International has 10 powerful perfume fragrance, 5 different brands for men and 5 for women. These are powerful, excellent perfume that boost your confidence as a man and makes you more pretty as a woman. Each of the fragrance has an event it is made specially for. If you want to attend red carpet party, we have a special fragrance for you. If you want to attend wedding, we have a perfect fragrance for your wedding. If you want to go for a date, Boss has a perfect fragrance for you. Oh, what if you want to attend corporate or business meeting? There is a special Boss perfume fragrance perfect for you, and so on. Now, this is the most interesting part. Anytime I spray Boss perfume, I spray money into my bank account. If anyone buys and uses Boss perfume in any part of the world, I get paid here in Nigeria. Anytime I use Boss perfume as a gift to my friend, I still get paid. You know why? I am an investor and a business partner with Boss International. If you join me, both of us will get paid in this business every single day. Okay? Boss International said, when you work with us as a shareholder or a business partner, you will smell nice every day like the boss. You will make money every day from the company like the boss, and you will be the boss of your life. When you become a shareholder of Boss International, instead of waiting till the end of the year to get your dividends, Boss International said you will get your dividends every single day. That's wonderful. Boss International understands the fact that we spend money every day and we should make money every day in order to create a financial balance in our lives. When you become a business partner with Boss International, you will have 8 sources of income. If you are watching this video right now and you already have 8 sources of income in your present job or business, and all of them are paying you every day, please, I advise you to end this video right now and walk away, because it's not for you. But if you are still watching this video, then this opportunity is for you. In Boss International, you will be paid every day as an investor or shareholder without doing anything. And Boss International will also pay you big money every day as an entrepreneur or business builder. When you connect with Boss, you will make money through the UBP Global Linear Reward, the UBP Product Sales Profit. You make money from the UBP Sponsor Support. You make big money through the direct referral income. You make money through the parent income, product retail profit, unilevel income, infinity bonus, and other incentives. Imagine 8 sources of income. Now, the first 3 ways you make money in this business is called Universal Bonus Pool, UBP earning, okay? And there you earn money every day as an investor or shareholder of the company without lifting your hands, okay? But the value of your earning depends largely on the business package you join Boss with, okay? The first way you earn money as a shareholder or investor in this business is called the UBP Global Linear Reward, okay? Once you join Boss Business Community, for anyone or group that joins Boss after you from any part of the world, whether here in Nigeria or any part of the world, 10% of the whole package amount in a day is brought out and shared to everybody already in the business, including you. So if, for instance, in a day, 500 million naira is invested in Boss from Nigeria, from US, from Philippines, South Africa, etc., 10% of that amount, which is 50 million naira, is shared to everybody in the business, including you. But in sharing the 50 million naira, the bronze packages will get just 1 share. That is about 99,000 naira out of the 50 million naira. The silver packages will get 3 shares. That is about 298,000 naira out of the 50 million naira. The gold packages will get 7 shares. That is about 697,000 naira out of the 50 million naira. Platinum packages will get 15 shares. That's 1.5 million naira out of the 50 million naira. The sapphire packages will get 31 shares. That is about 3 million naira out of the 50 million naira. Ruby packages will get 63 shares. That's about 6.2 million naira out of the 50 million naira. Emerald packages will get 127 shares. Wow, that is about 12.6 million naira out of the 50 million naira. And then the diamond packages, the babas in the business, will get 255 shares. That is about 25.3 million naira out of the 50 million naira. Honestly, that is great. The second way you earn money as an investor or shareholder is through the UBP Global Sales Profit. Now listen to this. For any amount of Boss perfume sold around the world every day, Boss International will bring out 10% of the profit they made from the sales, and they will share it amongst all the investors or partners of Boss International, including you. And remember that the sharing formula will also apply, as you can see on the screen, depending on your package, okay? So if someone buys Boss perfume from US, from Canada, from Ghana, from South Africa, or any part of the world, you will be here in Nigeria and make money through the profit sharing. This is indeed a global business, like I told you before, and we're going to rock this business big time. The third way you earn money as an investor or shareholder is through the UBP Sponsor Support. Here you make money from the person that introduced you to this business, As the person is making money, you are making some percentage of the money the person is making. Can you imagine that? Let's assume Mr. Ken told Joy about this great opportunity, and Joy invested in the business, and Joy connected Josh to the business, and Josh got excited and connected 10 different partners to the business, including you, as you can see on the screen. Here it means that Josh is your first generation sponsor, Joy is your second generation sponsor, and Ken is your third generation sponsor. Not just you, but all the 10 of you under Josh. Now, any amount Josh makes in pairing income, 5% of it will be shared to 10 of you under Josh. Okay? Any amount Joy makes every day through the pairing income, 3% of the amount will be shared to all of you at the same level under Joy. And any amount Ken makes in pairing income every day, 2% of the amount is shared amongst all of you at the same level under Ken. Remember that the money is not deducted from their earning. The company simply mirrors the amount and pays the equivalent from their pocket. And in sharing the money, the sharing formula is also applied, as you can see on the screen, depending on your package. Honestly, this is wonderful. You make money from the registration done around the world, you make money from the global sales profit made by the company, and you also make money from your team leaders in this business. It's wonderful. So the above 3 ways of earning in Boss International is called the Universal Bonus Pool, UBP income, where you are paid as an investor or shareholder of the company without doing anything, and the money is paid every day. Now, before I show you the other 5 sources of income in Boss International, I will first show you what it takes for you to be a boss in this business, how to take charge of your life, and how to create your own success story with this opportunity. All you have to do is to buy your Boss Income package, and the higher the package, the better. The moment you partner with Boss International Company, you are automatically qualified to start making passive income in Boss as an investor or shareholder, which I showed you above. The first set of packages I'm going to talk about now is called the Entrepreneurs Package or the Business Builders Package. Each of the packages gives you 100% money back in form of Boss Perfume, and there is no risk in the business. Now you can join Boss International with Silver Package, and that will cost you 40,950 naira. Once you sign up as Silver, you will get 10 bottles of Boss Perfume of your choice, worth exactly 40,950 naira as value package back to you. And you will be entitled to 3 shares of Boss UBP income, where you must earn additional 48,000 naira over time as your own dividend for investing in Boss International. We have the Gold Package that will cost you 95,550 naira. When you sign up with Gold Package, you will get 21 bottles of Boss Perfume of your choice, and it's worth exactly 95,550 naira you paid as value package back to you. And you will be entitled to 7 shares of Boss UBP income, where you must earn additional 117,600 naira over time as your own dividend for investing in Boss International. If you want to connect with Platinum Package, it will cost you 204,750 naira. Once you sign up, you will get 45 bottles of Boss Perfume of your choice, worth exactly 204,750 naira as value package, and you will be entitled to 15 shares of Boss UBP income, where you must earn additional 259,000 naira over time as your own dividend for investing in Boss International. Now, these are the investors package, specially meant for the great men and women in the business world. We have the Sapphire package, which will cost you 423,150 naira. When you sign up as Sapphire, you will get 93 bottles of Boss Perfume worth exactly 423,150 naira as value package, okay? And you will get 31 shares of Boss UBP income, where you must earn additional 553,000 naira over time as your own dividend for investing in Boss International. The Ruby package will cost you 859,950 naira. Once you sign up as Ruby, you will get 189 bottles of Boss Perfume worth exactly 859,950 naira as value package, and you will get 63 shares of Boss UBP income, where you must earn additional 1.1 million naira cash as passive income for investing in Boss International. The Emerald package will cost you 1,733,550 naira. Once you join with the business as Emerald, you will get 381 bottles of Boss Perfume of your choice, worth exactly 1,733,550 naira as value package. With this, I believe you can open a perfume store, okay? And you will get 127 shares of Boss UBP income, where you earn additional 2.4 million naira as passive income for investing in Boss International. Finally, we have the Diamond package, the biggest in the company. I tell you the truth, if you have the money, go for this package. It will cost you 3,480,750 naira. Once you join the business as Diamond, you will get 765 bottles of Boss Perfume of your choice, what exactly 3,480,750 naira as value package back to you, and you will be entitled to 255 shares of Boss UBP income, where you must earn additional 4.9 million naira cash over time as passive income for investing in Boss International. As you can see, Boss Business Opportunity is a risk-free business and it has money back guarantee, so you don't have to worry about anything. Now, this is someone that started this business with Diamond Package, and within 1 month the person has made $500 as a shareholder in the business without doing anything. Even if you invest 2 million naira or 3 million naira in this business, you immediately get Boss quality perfume, what exactly the amount you invested, and the company will continue to pay you every day until you make the maximum UBP income set for your package. Okay, so it's a leverage business system. I call it the business of the 21st century. Remember what Warren Buffett said, that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work till you die. I believe you don't want that to happen to you. That's why you need to sign up immediately in Boss International. Get back to the person that shared this video with you and get started immediately. All right, as I end this first part of the presentation, I want you to prepare your mind for something bigger. I also advise you to watch the second part of this video presentation to learn how you can make additional income every day in Boss International as an entrepreneur or a business builder. Honestly, it is good to make passive income like an investor in Boss, but it's sweeter when you build a large organization of business partners under your business team, and the activities will continue to generate massive cash flow for you between 50,000 naira to 200,000 naira every single day. If you really want to make big money like me, then watch the second part of this video. Please get to it now. I'm your friend Engineer Chris, the Big Boss, and I will see you at the second part of the video. Thank you.